Hi everyone, welcome to Alternavita. I'm going to fly through this because right after I started, I began losing my voice. And it's just, I don't know, the weather. Very cool today, very rainy. I think it's our 10th day in a row of rain, maybe. And it's getting old. So I just want to give you a quick recap here of how I've been faring on the wheat germ oil. I do prefer the soft gels to the oil. I literally could not tolerate the taste of it, the oil. So that is going to the pets who also love it, and it's good for them. So that's going to the pets, and I'll stick with the soft gels. I'm sorry to say I did not notice the metabolic benefits yet of wheat germ oil, even though I'm approaching the 4th month. I'm going to try another brand, see how that goes. But what I did notice is what most people notice, and I am overjoyed about that. And that would be softer, healthier hair, softer skin, and a major improvement in spider veins in my ankle, particularly, which was getting quite bad from sitting at this desk way too long every day. And they were getting a little worrisome. They were purple, red, sometimes hot. And I was really getting worried about the circulation in my feet and ankles. And I'm happy to say that they're almost gone. They've, they've lessened so much, I almost can't believe it. And I wish I would have taken a picture of before and after, but I will start taking a photo so that I can give you some real image evidence of how much wheat germ oil has helped that. And I'm sure if you look in the reviews for wheat germ oil, you will run across that, as well as helping scar tissue. So most people, I would have to say, mention things like that: hair health, skin softness, and reduction of spider/varicose veins. So I'm pleased about that, and I will continue to take it, although I will probably try a different brand just to see if there is an improvement in the metabolic benefits and liver health, and things like insulin resistance. And I'll keep you posted on that. So this week's post, sorry, I've been busy with other things and I haven't been able to do a new post, but moving on to my favorite topic, there is quite a bit of new research out there about bovine colostrum and colostrum in milk, and probiotics and gut health are my favorite topics. And I'm happy to see there is new research and they are putting more money into this. And I'm quite sure that what is leading this is the search for a better infant formula. So this week's post is the potency of growth factors in bovine colostrum, a bioactive substance. Growth factors can enhance gut integrity, strengthen the immune system, and promote tissue repair. So colostrum is a very rich bioactive substance. People don't believe me, but it is actually more like a blood product than a milk product. And that is why I am starting with this particular research because they actually state that in this paper. So colostrum is a bioactive substance produced by mammals shortly after giving birth. Colostrum is like getting a blood transfusion, let me put it that way. It is rich in essential nutrients and bioactive compounds like immunoglobulins, growth factors, and enzymes. These components play a critical role in supporting the immune system, promoting tissue repair, and aiding the development of newborns. Due to its high concentration of bioactive elements, colostrum is also used as a supplement to boost immunity, improve gut health, and enhance overall well-being in both humans and animals. Its natural bioavailability makes it highly effective compared to synthetic alternatives. And another thing is colostrum. One of the things that makes it a bioactive substance is colostrum is very minimally processed. And if it wasn't, those who depend on it, namely farmers, ranchers, they would not buy it because they depend on it for the health of calves and other animals. So colostrum contains leukocytes, which are cells that are important for passive immunity. The types of leukocytes in colostrum include macrophages, the most common cell type making up to 50 to 90% of colostrum leukocytes. T lymphocytes, the second most common cell type, about 16%. B lymphocytes, usually less than 5%. Polymorphonuclear cells, mostly neutrophils. These cells make up about 3 to 6% of colostrum leukocytes, and epithelial cells. These cells make up to 2 to 15% of colostrum leukocytes. And the number of leukocytes in colostrum can vary depending on the cow's age, breed, health, and immune status. Colostrum also contains other bioactive components such as immunoglobulins, growth factors, vitamins, and hormones. So colostrum-derived growth factors are being studied for their effectiveness and safety in treating various health conditions, particularly boosting the immune function, improving gut health, and aiding wound healing. Current research focuses on how these growth factors can enhance gut integrity, strengthen the immune system, and promote tissue repair, all while minimizing potential side effects. The use of growth factors in medicine and nutritional supplements is a major innovation, offering support for existing treatments and opening new therapeutic possibilities. It's expected that growth factors will be used in an even wider range of applications in the future. So colostrum is a nutrient-rich milk produced by mammals shortly after giving birth. Colostrum contains immunoglobulins, oleosaccharides, lactoferrin, and lysozyme. It's considered a unique supplement due to its high bioavailability and abundant growth factors. These growth factors are essential for many body functions, contributing to wound healing, muscle and bone development, and promoting growth in children. Additionally, research into the molecular mechanisms has revealed their roles in cell proliferation, tissue regeneration, and immune system regulations. This review explores the concentration of growth factors in bovine colostrum, their benefits, clinical studies, and molecular mechanisms. Colostrum, often called pre-milk, is essential for the health and development of newborn mammals. It offers various health benefits, including improved athletic performance, enhanced muscle injury recovery, immune system development, newborns, and increased muscle mass. Colostrum's composition is similar to blood and quite different from regular milk. It contains nutrients like proteins, lipids, lactose, and essential fatty acids, along with a variety of biologically active compounds. Bovine colostrum is especially rich in growth factors, which treat diseases and injuries and playing an essential role in cellular processes, including growth, division, differentiation, and survival. They work by binding to specific receptors on cell surfaces, triggering a chain of signals inside the cell. This complex network regulates gene expression and cellular functions, shaping how the cell behaves. Key growth factors found in colostrum include epidermal growth factor, transforming growth factor beta and alpha, platelet-derived growth factor, and insulin-like growth factors. One note on that, there is no potential for the similarities between certain growth factors like HGH, insulin, and colostrum, insulin-like growth factors. They are not comparable, okay, even though they're all growth factors. The bioactive components in colostrum have diverse positive effects on the body. Growth factors, for example, are involved in metabolic activities like wound healing, bone and muscle development, and cell proliferation. The concentration of growth factors can vary depending on the source. In both regular milk and colostrum contain peptide growth factors that help mammalian cells grow and differentiate. One study found that colostrum has the highest concentration of growth factors within the first 10 hours after birth, although this can vary depending on the source and other environmental factors. The two main growth factors in colostrum, IGF-1 and 2, and transforming growth factor alpha and beta, play critical roles in muscle repair and wound healing. Consuming bovine colostrum may be more effective than taking growth factor supplements orally, since colostrum contains a combination of bioactive components that work together to promote health. So in the next post, I will go over each individual growth factor, but this is just a basic overview to say that colostrum contains many growth factors. So bovine colostrum stands out as a powerful and natural source of these growth factors, making it unique compared to other substances or synthetic alternatives. Studies have shown that the growth factors have several positive effects on the body, and these may also serve as potential treatments for conditions like osteoarthritis or musculoskeletal injuries because they encourage the regeneration of damaged tissues. What makes bovine colostrum special is that its growth factors are highly bioavailable, meaning they are easily absorbed and work together to enhance healing. Growth factors also play a critical role in strengthening the immune system by increasing the production and activity of immune cells, which helps the body fight infections and illnesses more effectively. The natural growth factors in bovine colostrum promote a stronger immune response, making it more effective compared to synthetic immune boosters. And additionally, research suggests that these growth factors may have broader applications beyond immune support, such as increasing understanding of growth factors as biomarkers. By understanding how they work at the deeper level, researchers hope to unlock new ways to diagnose and treat diseases. As research continues, we may discover even more ways in which growth factors from bovine colostrum can enhance health, giving us a clearer picture of its potential as a supplement. So, growth factors in colostrum and or pasteurized pasteurized milk can contain none of these, or it can contain some. I didn't differentiate between the two, but pasteurized milk can contain some. So growth factors are EGF, TGFB, TGFA, PDGF, and IGFs, IGF-1 and IGF-2. And then it tells you what they are, the properties of these growth factors. So that's about it for this week, you guys, and I'll try to get back on a more regular schedule. Sorry. Another part of this was that there just aren't that many superfoods that have been studied very well because, as I said last time, in wrapping up wheat germ, I was extremely surprised to find that there wasn't that much research on something that humans have been consuming for thousands of years. And that just highlights the fact that there is virtually no interest in nutrition. It isn't taught in medical school, maybe a few hours at most. And there is absolutely no interest in unlocking the potential of superfoods and nutrition. So that, there just isn't that much research out there. So there isn't that much to write about that you can actually back up with science because you can't find the science. And wheat germ was just one good example of that fact. So that is why colostrum differs to a degree. And there is much more research on colostrum than there is on wheat germ oil. Amazingly, there is. But anyway, that's just, it's just hard to increase the medicinal foods category on Alternavita because the research is scant on superfoods. Unless there's an agenda that they would like to promote, such as veganism or something like that. And I'm not about that. So, yeah, that was really eye-opening how little research there was on wheat germ and wheat germ oil, considering humans have been considering it is a plant, and considering humans have been consuming wheat for thousands of years. So that in part led to me having to search for other topics to write about. And luckily, I found some new and exciting research about colostrum. So, okay, everyone, thanks for your time. I'll see you next time, and hopefully my voice will be in better shape and the weather will be much better. Thanks again. Bye.